I would say the most common injuries in a car accident are neck injuries, back injuries, especially low back injuries. The biggest effect that a neck injury or a back injury could have on a person's life would be how they do their job, being able to sit for a longer period of time. They may not be able to drive the same kind of distances without feeling pain. It can affect people's sleep. A lot of times they wake up in the middle of the night, they just can't sleep or they can't get into a comfortable position. A lot of times these injuries can affect clients. The insurance company's goal whenever an accident happens is to try to get out of it as cheaply as possible. At the end of the day, they're trying to save money. The more money that they're able to save paying out claims, then it's a higher profit margin for them. So that's their ultimate goal. Whenever I see the insurance company try to lowball a client, and sometimes there are insurance companies that will have a difficult time or put more of a fight in paying that up front to help clients with their medical treatment or paying of medical expenses and that kind of stuff. And so a lot of times clients are actually deterred almost from treating for their accident because they don't have the money to pay for it up front. And so what ultimately ends up happening is you have clients who go a longer period of time dealing with pain and other associated symptoms, and they're not getting treated, and it's not because they don't need the treatment, it's because they can't afford the treatment, and the policy that was put in place to pay for the treatment, they're not doing their job is really what it comes down to. The idea that an insurance company is going to take the case a little bit more seriously depending on the law firm, I think is more like an urban myth. I think that over the years you develop relationships with particular adjusters or with particular insurance companies, and they trust you and they trust your opinion. So whenever you make an argument to them, they know, hey, this is a smart guy. I think his argument makes sense. His argument has made sense in the past, and they're more likely to go with you on certain arguments. It's not necessarily about that they're more afraid or anything like that. I think the insurance companies treat you with more respect is really what I think it comes down to.